Dreaming of a cruise ship job? Then your CV has to be top class, my friend. A hiring manager decides in just 6 seconds. Selected or rejected. Use a professional email. Not cool dude 123. Add a sharp head and shoulders photo in uniform. Mention all courses with expiry dates. List your experience from latest to oldest with vessel type and duties. Keep your CV short, clear, and strong. Follow these tips, and your CV is cruise ready, boss. Want to see a real cruise CV example? Check the description and download. Subscribe now and don't miss the next video only on Sengh on Cruise.